Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a mid-year savings update. I thought it would be really fun to take a look into all my envelopes that are saving, as well as what is saved in our Ally account plus what's in those envelopes currently, because we are mid-year, which is insane, but we don't have to talk about it. So let me go ahead and grab a few of my binders that I know we just keep on stuffing and then moving over to Ally until we need to use it. And I may not go into every category because these are really specifically for let's say holidays. I think I'll do that one, our 10-year anniversary. And then obviously the savings binder and my 1s, 5s, 10s, 20s. I would like to have a grand old number over here on my calculator as far as what we have saved so far. So if that is something you're interested in, stay here and let's go ahead and jump into this video. So first, I know that I have my 10-year anniversary in here. So let's flip to her, but in the middle of doing that, I just want to make sure that there's no other categories. So 10-year anniversary. Let me just, and then off to the side, I do have my Ally account pulled up. Okay, so 10-year anniversary, currently we have 5,100 in Ally, and I think this is accurate. So yeah, 5,100, but we also are saving our 5K challenge that we are currently in towards 10-year anniversary as well. So let me grab that real quick. And that is in here in my savings binder. So let's see. Yeah, so this is the 5,000 monthly yearly savings bundle, and you can find this link down below in my Etsy shop. So everything that does not have cash in it is already sitting in Ally. The only one that has not been emptied is June and July, so we'll get to those in a second. So this 5,100 plus the 5K challenge, what we have in 5K right now is $1,930. So we need to add the $1,930 here. So that equals $7,030 to go towards our Europe trip next year. And then June has 100, 200, 250, 260, 270, 275. So plus 275. And then plus July. And July has 100, 150, 170, 175. So that's $7,480 we have already saved. And I feel like I need to create a note of this just so I don't forget where we're at. So I'm just gonna label it 10th and 5K is $7,480. And guys, I do want to be really transparent with you. We have been saving up for this kind of money for 5 years. That may not be everybody's situation, that it takes that long, or maybe it takes you longer. But we knew that we wanted to do this for our 10-year anniversary just to make up for some bitterness that we had about how our wedding day turned out. So we are making it up over there for our 10-year, and he is upgrading my wedding ring for our 10-year anniversary, and we're renewing our vows over there. So it's a huge deal. So we've been saving up for 5 years, and so we have this $7,480 to go towards it, and we're hoping to hit probably a little bit more than 10K before we leave, and that may still not even be enough, but this is a trip of a lifetime and we are going. So $7,480 is what we have for our 10th anniversary and 5K combined. And so that is it for these savings challenges in here that I feel like we know exactly where that money is going towards. Next, we have the cream binder. And so in here we have our holidays and stuff like that. So these are technically, I would say they are sinking funds. I don't know if it's important to include these, but I guess I will, because Valentine's, this isn't happening till next year. So maybe I just do the ones that we have already gone through, in 4th of July. Well, we haven't left yet, but let's see. Yeah, I feel like these are like a sinking fund kind of saving that like we're not going to be dipping into quite yet. So I think I'm gonna leave these be, honestly. Yeah. So yeah, I'm not gonna include the Valentine's Day in my savings update just because it's just a fund that we are going to end up spending quickly and consistently every single time. That's how I'm thinking about it in my mind. If it's different for you, that's cool. You know, do that with your setup. But yeah, I'm just not gonna include those. So next we have this Overflow Binder. This is like the reason why I wanted to do this like update is because of all of the like 5, 10s, and 20s that I've saved. Of course, like my Star Notes, that is a savings, but I don't ever plan on spending it. So let's go ahead and add up our $1. So 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, and 63. So $63 at our half year. So $63 for mid-year savings. And I've already gotten written here, so let's do 63 plus $5 challenge, 20, 40, and 50. And our goal is to save $220 if we fill out the whole thing. So 20, 40, 50. Plus 50 plus our 10s, which is 20, 40, 60, and 70. So $183 so far. Ooh. There we go. And then $20. And guys, these trackers are linked down below in my Etsy shop. So $20 has 20, 40, and 60. $243 so far with our mid-year savings situation. So, oh no. Okay, well that's fun. You guys just saw my little keychain break. It'll be easy to put back together, but sad day. So $243 we have saved and just Overflow from like the wallet. Is it a lot? No, but it doesn't have to be, guys. Like $243 is a lot to me. So I think anything is something, and that is great. So $243 in there. Next, we have what I originally started doing our travel savings in, and I've got our Disney little placeholder situation in here too, because we'll start saving for that after Europe. Maybe a little bit before Europe, but we just haven't yet. And this little cutie is in my shop. So we had destination money in here. And so destination, why did that feel like? Okay, so that's it. So destination has 20, 40, 60, 70 dollars. And then transportation has 20, 40, 60, 70. So that's 140. Food and beverage has 20, 40, 60, 70. 210. And activities has 20, 40, 60, 70. So all of these are pretty much the same, because whenever I stopped doing this and really focused on the yearly monthly challenge, that's when all of this kind of came to a stop. And 20, 40, 60 for souvenirs. So $340 is what we have. Again, huge. And all of that money will go towards our Europe trip. So literally everything is being sent that way. So let's go ahead and add this up. 340 plus 243 plus the 7,480. So we officially have $8,063 saved so far, and all of that money is seriously going towards our anniversary next year. And I mentioned it before, it's our 10-year anniversary. We're just going all out for it. So That is huge, and we're only mid-year right now, and we don't leave for this trip until June 3rd of next year. So we could totally, I feel like, definitely get the additional 2,000 and maybe even increase our goal to be like 12 to 15,000 before we leave. And we'd probably feel so much better about that too. So I'm so excited about this. I'm really glad I decided to do this mid-year savings update. I know it's not over every single one, but for us, like our savings situation is really for our 10-year anniversary. That is what everything is going towards, unless something pops up, life happens, and we have to contribute or do something to fix our home because we are homeowners, something happens to our cars, you know, we would have to dip into this. But let's cross our fingers. Thank God every day for blessing us, and I hope that all of this gets to go to Europe. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much if you've made it to this point. And if you have, go ahead and leave me a black checkered flag in the comments. I've just been on a kick because I have this wonderful viewer who always shares it, and I had no idea there was that checkered flag and the emojis. There's just so many emojis. How do we know all of them? But she leaves it every single time, and I am obsessed. So thank you so much, girlie. You know who you are. And if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. You'll just click this button on the right side of your screen, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.